Yeah, 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 yeah. Give it to me now, give it to me now, give it to me now, give it to me now. Yeah, 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 yeah. Give it to me now, give it to me now, give it to me now. I wanna lick you from your head to your toes, and I wanna move from the bed down to the floor, and I wanna you make it so good I don't wanna leave, but I gotta know what's your fantasy. I wanna lick you from your head to your toes, and I wanna move from the bed down to the floor, when I wanna you make it so good I don't wanna leave, but I gotta know what's your fantasy. I wanna get you in the club zone on a 50-yard line while the dirty birds kick the tree. And if you like it in the club, we can do it in the DJ booth or in the back of the VIP. Whipped cream with cherries and strawberries on top. Don't stop, keep the door locked, don't knock while the boat rock. We go by the robots, so they gotta wait till the show stop. Or how about on the beach with black sand? So they call me the Pac-Man. Save on top and just give me the lap dance. The rock to the park, to the point, to the flatland. That man ain't ludicrous. Woo! In the public bathroom or in the back of the classroom. However you want it. Lover gon' see I cast them and I pass them. Get a tight grip and I grasp them. I flash them and I blast them. And if it ain't good then I trash them. While you stash them, I let them free and they tell me what they fantasy. Like up on the roof. Tell your boyfriend not to be mad at me. I wanna lick you from your head to your toes. And I wanna move from the bed down to the floor. And I wanna you make it so good I don't wanna leave, but I gotta know what's your fantasy. I wanna lick you from your head to your toes, and I wanna move from the bed down to the floor. When I wanna you make it so good I don't wanna leave, but I gotta know what's your fantasy. I wanna get you in the bathtub with the candles lit. You give it up till they go out, or we can do it on stage at the Ludacris concert. Cause you know it got sold out. The red carpet, you can't hold out. We can do it in the pouring rain, running when it's hotter when it's cold out. How about up in the library on top of books, but you can't be too loud. You wanna make a brother beg for it, give me TLC, cause you know I'll be too proud. We can do it in the White House, try to make them turn the lights out. Champagne with my campaign, let me do the damn thing. What's my name? What's my name? What's my name? The sauna, jacuzzi, in the back row at the movie. You can scratch my back and rule me. You can push me and just pull me. I'm hay in the middle of the bomb. The rose petals on the silk seat, eating fresh fruit. Sweep your woman right off of the feet. I wanna lick you from your head to your toes, and I wanna move from the bed down to the floor, and I wanna you make it so good I don't wanna leave, but I gotta know what's your fantasy. I wanna lick you from your head to your toes, and I wanna move from the bed down to the floor, when I wanna you make it so good I don't wanna leave, but I gotta know what's your fantasy. I wanna get you in the back seat, windows up, that's the way you like them. Clogged up, fog alert, rip the pants and rip the shirt. Make it hurt, in the garden, all in the dirt. Rollin' Brown, Georgia Brown, that's the way that I like it. Twerk, legs, dirt, overwork. Underpaid, but don't be afraid. In the sun or up in the shade, on the top of my Escalade. Maybe your girl and my friend can trade. Off the road, on the ocean, or in the boat. Factories are on hundreds boats. What about up in the candy store? That chocolate, make it melt. Whipped and chain, handcuffs. Little, yeah, with my belt, green belt. Play my game, Dracula, and I get my bang. Horseback, and I get my range. Full teacher, let me get my range. Lick you from your head to your toes. And I wanna move from the bed down to the floor. And I wanna you make it so good I don't wanna leave, but I gotta know what's your fantasy. I wanna lick you from your head to your toes, and I wanna move from the bed down to the
I'm sure you've all been followed out to expect something radical.
Look at me.
Let's keep this dialogue going.
All the
how, check it out.
Yeah, this album is dedicated to all the teachers that told me I never amount to nothing. To all the people that lived above the buildings that I was hustling from that called the police on me when I was just trying to make some money to feed my daughters. And all the niggas in the struggle, you know what I'm saying? It's all good, baby. It was all a dream. I used to read Word Up magazine, Salt and Pepper and Heavy D up in the limousine, hanging pictures on my wall. Every Saturday, rap attack Mr. Magic Molly Mall. I let my tape rock till my tape pop. Smoking weed and bamboo, sipping on private stock. Way back when I had the red and black lumberjack with the hat to match. Remember rapping Duke? The hard, you never thought that hip hop would take it this far. Now I'm in the limelight cause I rhyme tight. Time to get paid, blow up like the world's trade. Born sinner, the opposite of a winner. Remember when I used to eat sardines for dinner? Peace to Raw G, Brucey B, Kid Capri, Funk Master Flex, Love Bug, Star Ski. I'm blowing up like you thought I would. Call a crib, same number, same hood. It's all good. And if you don't know, now you know, nigga.
Who's you are? Don't let them hold you down. Reach for the stars. You have to go when I say your name. 'Cause you're the only one.
I made the change from a common thief to up close and personal with Robin Leach. And I'm far from cheap. I smoke stuff with my peeps all day. Spread love, it's the Brooklyn way. The Moet and Alizé keep me pissy. Girls used to diss me, now they write letters cause they miss me. I never thought it could happen, this rapping stuff. I was too used to packing gats and stuff. Now honeys play me close like